Stay at the back of the room away from the door. And of course, hands where I can see them. I'm not gonna repeat myself. The new ones are always easy to get. Hey there, I'm Six, your neighbor. I suppose I can say, hello neighbor. Wow, your room is so much cooler than mine. You've got a table and a plant and even some shelves. Want to switch rooms? Oh, I'm sorry, you're probably very confused. Not that I can help with that, but what I can do is help you become more familiar with the place. We can discuss who gets which room later. I see you got your keycard already. You're gonna have plenty of those. Which means you'll be needing something to help you keep track of them. Here, take it, it's yours. These keycards will allow you to activate these card scanners, which do all sorts of things. Eyes on the colors of the scanners because they are color-coded. We shouldn't stay here too long or they'll think something's wrong. Let's head to the other room where everyone else is. You give it a try. Ain't this the life? Just play, hibernate, and repeat. But most importantly, do everything you're told. This place is very cool, but there's someone I want you to meet first.